So I'm going to show you how to fix this screen to this Lenovo iPad 3. You have to first remove this battery, take out all the screws out the back, remove the covers like this. Once you take all the screws, you remove the back, and then you have to remove this battery. This part right here would be inside of here like this, and you just take it out, and I set it to the side here. That's how it looks. And then the inside, you flip it over, and the inside would be okay, and the inside, that's how the inside looks after you remove the top screen, which is this is the top screen. You just use the end of this like this, and you just pick across there and take this out. Once you remove that, you're gonna be left with this. You have like some adhesive behind here. You pull it out on both sides, and then this old one comes out like this. This is the old screen, and then you take that little part right there, you unhook it, this little part, you unhook it and just pull it, gently pull it, and it takes it out. This is the old one. I'm sorry, I'm gonna replace that key too, my son. But you take this, you hook this back in like this, make sure you push it all the way in, and you'll hear a little click. That's how you know that it's in. Then put this on like this, and you want to test it and make sure that it works. So let's see. Let's close it down. I'm going to put on the battery back. Push the battery in. I'm sorry, I don't do YouTube videos, but I'm trying to. Okay, you click it in just like that. Even everything in. Put your screws back in. Make sure. This screw don't want to act right. Because you want to test it and make sure that that it works. So we're gonna flip it back over and make sure